This is a Webcor Wire Recorder from the 1950s. The wire recorder was a predecessor to tape recording. Before we had plastic tape with iron oxide coating, they could simply magnetize a wire. Not as good fidelity, so it didn't last, but it was portable and durable. They actually have a really beautiful Art Deco design to them, these great graphics and shapes all around the machine. We also love the spindle that keeps the wrap of the wire from bundling up in one place. And it's built like a tank as well. A lot of offices used these for dictation in the old days. It was a simple way to make a recording that was reproducible as well as erasable and reusable later. We're transferring wire recordings now and then. They have a great vintage but surprisingly good sound to them, like this Hawaiian guitar. Sometimes the wires can be old and fragile. They might even snap. But all you do is tie a small knot into it and trim it off and it will play again. Definitely our most beautiful machine.